Hey there, welcome to today's 15-minute video. I'm Patricia here with All Bodies Fitness. That's Georgie learning my rug right now. Today we're going to focus on the lower body a little bit more. So you'll need a chair and maybe a mat for the floor for a few things we're going to do. Otherwise, put on some music that you like that's going to energize you in the background. And don't need any weights today. So we'll start with a good cardio warm-up. Great. All right, let's go step side to side like so. And get a little warm up going with our legs first. Try not to step on the cat. Hope you ain't allergic to them. That's Georgie. He's a rescue. Good. Let's swing the arm across. Gonna warm up the body for a couple minutes. And by moving all your major muscle groups, you're gonna warm much faster. Get a little cardio in. Cardio actually builds up throughout the day. They say to get about 30 minutes most days of the week, right? If a good cardio workout, get your heart going a little bit. And it doesn't have to be, let's go up to forward step and arms up. It doesn't have to be all at once. It could be in 5-minute increments, anything you want. It all adds up. Right? So it's important to work your heart. It's a muscle too. Good. I always say, people say, what's the best cardio? And I'm like, well, what is it that you like to do? Because if you like to do it, then you're more likely to keep doing it. And that means it's going to be more effective for you because you're going to actually do it. Right? True. Good. All right, let's go to elbow to knee. Elbow towards knee, knee towards elbow, a little bit high knees here. This is actually working your core as well as your whole body because you have to stand on one leg and draw that leg up with your abs. Right? Good. Now try to remember to stand up straight and tall, with shoulders back and down, chest out and proud. Right? Good. Let's go to a punch and kick. Excellent. Again, chest out, shoulders back and down. Working, being strong. Working on our mindset as well, right? We know in order to have a good body, we have to move it, right? We know in order to be fit, you have to be able to move pain-free, right? And hopefully be able to do that. So you get your flexibility back, get your cardiovascular health back, or keep it, whatever you're trying to maintain, gain, or just get back. That's a cat playing with his toy. Silly Georgie. All right, keep it going here. Good, let's go to side, warm up those hips a little bit. We'll reach two, and we'll do a little bow and arrow. Work the upper back a little bit, pull it open. Good, nice, it's together, and draw it open. Elbow back, good, nice and strong. Good, keep it going. 8, 9, and one more. Good, other side. Now remember to drink water throughout your day. I know a lot of people are addicted to sodas and various other designer drinks that aren't necessarily the most helpful thing. But one way to bypass that or work towards getting rid of that is, slowly cut back on the amount. Good, march it out. Slowly cut back on the amount that you do as far as sodas, right? Little harm reduction, cutting back, substituting some water in, okay? Flavored water, if you're not used to water, sometimes people are like, I hate the taste of water, which is kind of strange to me because we're largely made up of water, right? And that's all humans would have drank before anything else was invented, so. But I can understand it is hard to change, so you change a little bit at a time, right? Get stronger a little bit at a time. Good, we're going to go to getting stronger. We're going to work on our squats, right? That's why I wanted you to have a chair, or if you don't have a chair, you have a sofa or a bench, right? The higher the chair is, the little easier it's going to be. You decide. All right, stand in front of your chair or sofa, and what we're going to do is you're going to act like you're about to sit and then come up as soon as your booty touches the bench. If you can't go that far down and be able to get up, then just do what you can, right? But try and go way down and come up. So you have to find the chair. There you go. All right, so it's called hot potato because it's like we do a dozen of these. It's like you're about to sit and it's like, oh, that chair's hot. Now your arms stay in front of you so that keeps your posture a little better. Try and think about keeping your chest out and the shoulders back and down. Good, you get 2 more. And 1 more. Nice. All right, let's go to the side of our chair. And we'll do some gate swings, leg extension combos, okay? So we're going to raise a leg, lower it nice and straight, bend it up, swing it out, bring it in, and down, okay? So it's out, down, bent, out, and in. Good. Just follow along best you can, obviously. Oh, got to go out. Nice. Apparently I can't talk and do it. Up, out, in, and down. Extend, down, in, and out. Good, let's do 5 more. Might have messed up one in there. Nice. Good. Now you're not leaning too heavily into the chair. Chair's just for balance. Good. Nice. And for the cat, apparently, he likes to go under it. And we got one more. Out, up. Keep swing and down. Should feel that all in there, right? Good job. Let's do the other side. Georgie, you trying to make music for us with your little toy there? All right, so now we're going to work the other leg. For me, it's my left side. I just did my right. Again, not leaning too heavily in the chair. Come out, in, and then bend. Swing it open, back in and down. So it's extension, down, bend it, extend it out, and good. Nice. Get the rhythm here. Think about what you're doing a little bit. Change your mindset and focus on yourself and your movement rather than all the problems that we have from work and family and friends and Facebook or whatever other things stress you out, right? Good. I understand. It's a very complicated world nowadays. If you watch the news, it looks really bad. I think the news misrepresents things a little bit on the negative side to make sensationalism. One more. Which is why I really limit the amount of news I allow myself to take in. All right, good. You should feel a little burn in those legs. Excellent. Let's go and use the chair a little bit for balance if you need it. All right, what you're going to do is you're going to lean on the chair or your bench. Look forward a little bit. And you're going to stand on that left leg, bend it just a little bit. With the right leg, you're going to bring it in and kick it behind you. Little donkey kicks here. Good. Working that body. We do 15 of these if you can. Anytime anything's too hard, you can always go to a march in place. Keep moving though for the full 15 minutes. We got 5 more. Good, 3 more. And 1 more. Nice. Should feel that in the booty and the leg you're standing on a little bit too is working. All right, let's go to the other side. So I'm just moving my chair over. Make sure I stay good view of you guys. All right, not too heavily in the chair, right? Just lean in a little bit. Your abs can support you a lot. Bend the leg you're standing on, my right leg in my case. And the other leg comes in and kicks back. Good. 3, 4, 5. Good. Do 15. Nice. Here's 10. 5 more. And good. Nice. Ooh, his legs should be running a little bit. Excellent. We're going to go to the floor with our mat. Open that mat up if you need to. Have a little sip of water if you need to pause me. Drink some water, that's cool too. Excellent. There's your mat for you. All right. I'm going to start with a little ab exercise. I'm eating one of my hairs. I hate that. Okay. But I'll struggle through it. All right, so your ab exercise right now, you're going to lean back on your hands, okay? You're going to draw one leg in at a time, alternating legs. Good. Keep that ab, keep your abs tight and your chest out. Nice. Hello, Georgie. Good. You got 10 more. Keep strong. 5 more. And nice. Good. All right, let's lay back all the way. We'll work on our glutes now, and then a little bit more abs too. Have your heels fairly close to your glutes, because if they're out far like this, and you're trying to do a bridge, it puts a lot of pressure on those hamstrings. So bring your heels a little closer so you don't get a cramp in those hamstrings, okay? And keep your feet in good alignment. Hands on side for support. Just raise up the booty, squeeze and down. Good. Nice. Not too fast. Squeeze it really good. And slowly lower it. Nice. We're going to do 15 of these. Got to have strong glutes to protect your lower back. Right. So it's our biggest muscle actually. Nice. 5 more. Really squeeze those glutes. Good. There you go. You're doing great. Keep going with me. And one more. Nice. All right. Right ankle over left knee. You do one side at a time for 10. Okay. Raise and lower. Try not to go all the way down to the floor if you can. Keep a little pressure on those legs. Good. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Bring it down. That same leg that was just over the knee, the right leg, hopefully, is going to come down and raise and lower. Good. Your upper body relaxes. Good. Working those legs. A little bit in the abs too. Doing 10. Nice. You're doing great. Stay with me. And one more. Good. Now put that right leg down if that's what you're doing. All right. Cross your left ankle over your right knee now. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So starting with those 10 raises. Up and squeeze and down. Working cheek to cheek here. Good. Just 10. A little harder. One side at a time. Nice. Let's see if you could do it. If you can't, you can go to both legs if you have to, but if you did it on one side, you really should do it on the other. And good. Now that left leg extends long out and raise and lower. We're going to do 10 like that, resting our upper body. Not too fast. Follow my speed. So it's up and lower. Up and lower. Good. Got 3 more. Nice. 2 more. Last one. And down. All right, this time we're going to do our bridges just a little bit different. Put your feet apart a little bit more, okay? And come up and squeeze everything together, squeezing the inner thighs tight too, and then down. And squeeze it, kind of like a little bit of a clamshell at the same time as the bridge. Good, like that. Nice, squeeze. Working those inner thighs. Really thinking about squeezing those legs together. Good, doing great. Nice. Woo, feeling it. Good. You're almost there. Just 5 more now. Here's 5, 4, squeezing. 3, 2, and 1. Ooh, nice. I feel on my inner thighs and my glutes. That's good work. All right, let's go to a little bird dog, which is going to work the glutes and lower back and legs as well. All right, so you stand on your hands and knees here. And if you're a beginner and you can't quite do this all the way, you can do just legs only, alternating legs, but we're going to try and do left leg, right arm, and alternate. So it's left leg, right arm, bring it back in, alternate to right leg, left arm. Good. You hold it out there for a second, alternating, switching back and forth, making the brain think a little bit there. Good. Left arm, right leg, right arm, left leg, left arm, right leg. Got 3 more. There we go. Alternating, alternating. 1 more. Good. All right. Now this is slightly advanced. We'll just try one set of these. Get down on the floor on your tummy. Extend your arms out in one direction, your legs out in the other. And we're going to raise alternates here. Right arm, left leg, and down. Left arm, right leg, and down. Good. Switch. Just 10. Switch. Switch. Really squeeze those glutes. Switch. 5 more. Nice. Here's 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Nice. Very good. Let's come up into child's pose. So you want to sit back on your heels and stretch it. Hold that stretch. Ooh, it's a nice workout. Good job, guys. You did it. Hold this stretch in your lower back. And good. Let's come to seated position. Go stretch our glutes. Hug your right leg over your left. And squeeze that in. Feel a nice stretch in the right glute. Now you certainly can go do the 15-minute stretching video if you have time. Or you're going to do a little more workout first. All right, depending on what you have time for. But it's always good to stretch after a nice workout, right? Good. Enjoyed that one. Nice. Let's do a butterfly stretch right here. Oh yeah, I feel that. That was a good workout. Good leg workout today. Thank you for joining me. Come back again real soon for another great workout. Thank you so much and have a great day.